Good morning and welcome to this week's vlog. Today's already Saturday and it's already like 1 p.m. so I have not been vlogging this week. Again, I picked up some extra hours at work and also just like didn't really do anything yesterday. I mean, I just like ran some errands, returned some pants, I don't know, like nothing exciting. Not really much exciting going on today until later when I'm doing a shoot with Geek Strong. But like most weeks, I am running to Best Buy. I'm always running to like Best Buy or Staples or something to find some kind of adapter or cord that I need. Just as I figure out exactly how I want my setup to be, that's like the easiest for me to just kind of use without like having to move things around. So I'm actually going to go pick up a new card reader because the card reader that I have is a USB-C little plug, which would make sense because I have a MacBook Pro, but I recently put in an adapter for more USB ports and now I don't have enough USB-C ports. So I know it's like a little bit extra, like I have a card reader, I really don't need another card reader, but I'm just like trying to make things as easy as possible so that I don't have to like think about them later, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm gonna go on like a little jog to get to Best Buy because it's nice to be outside. I don't know, no real reason, just go on a jog. Gonna go to Best Buy, might go to Ulta and restock on my makeup setting spray because I go through this a lot, especially now that we wear the masks and I'm like constantly fighting to try and get my makeup to stay on under my mask and failing at that, but this stuff is so good. And I'm almost out, so yeah, and might stop at Starbucks. And then I get to come back, start editing the vlog that is going up tomorrow, hopefully, and then I'll have my shoot with Geek Strong, and we're shooting Starlight today. So you guys have kind of seen the progress of that cosplay from when I ordered it to Amanda kind of taking it in to now I'll finally get to shoot it, and hopefully it goes well. So it should be a pretty fun day. Oh, I did my nails last night. What do you think? They're very spiky.
You can tell the story of how there's some alternate universe version of you trapped in the trunk.
Yeah, there's my car is making sounds like there's someone trapped in my trunk. I think it's just gravity, but is it? It also could be me in a time loop.
Yeah, it's you in an alternate universe.
Yeah.
Trapped in the trunk trying to tell yourself to get you out of the trunk.
The thing is, like, so my trunk has like a little thing that goes over it to like make it smaller, and the thing is there right now. So I don't think anyone could fit in the trunk except for me. So if someone's in the trunk, it's probably me in a time loop.
That's exactly what it is. I'm sorry that the alternate universe version of you is trapped in a trunk right now. You know what? I don't think the alternate universe version of me really minds too much because like people suck. And get away from it for a little bit. Pretty comfortable.
Yeah, my trunk's new. It's not even dirty. It's not like there's been like old shoes or anything in there. Like no dirt, no nothing.
Maybe if you put some sort of like latch inside the trunk, so if you ever get trapped in there, you can get out. So that the alternate universe version will be able to get out.
You gotta kick out the tail light. Most people know that from John Mulaney, but I know that from Psych. I'll show you guys my shoes. Can you see them? I don't know if you can see them, hold on. My shoes. I don't have shoes for this, so we're just shooting from the ankle up today.
I've been wondering what has happened to you now. Am I the only one who's struggling to move on?
We're going to an alternate location. Never go to a second location.
Never go to a second. Who was I with? The first time I shot Rage, that happened.
But where she said you're not supposed to go to to a second location? John Mulaney teaches life skills.
Not to go to a second location. And I was like, we're going to a second location. I never do that for a first collab.
I went, I have this friend who's does like styling, and she asked me if I could go be in like her friend's movie like a year ago, and so I get there and it's just like the director and like the other actor, and they're like, okay, get in this car, we're going to like a different location. And I was like, Don't
Did you
usually.
say, "No,
don't
I'm
use,
good"?
Yeah, I was like,
You know what?
I don't usually get in
My
cars
mom just
with
called
two
me.
men that I've never met, but I kind of did it anyway.
Oh.
I don't know why.
I thought this story was gonna like be a
No,
life lesson.
it was fine because she met us.
Internet.
No, my friend met us there,
Never
and
go
it
to
was
a
fine.
second location.
Don't do what I do, but hey, maybe I'm in a movie. I've never actually followed up on any of that.
Not as I do.
I went to a secondary location and I'm still alive. You missed my rant about this wig and how I spent like 2 hours trying to brush it out and it's still this like weird curly Q.
Right here. Red ants.
When I was a kid, I refused to ever admit that I was in pain. So this one time I was a little kid and I was standing in a red ant pile, and then I refused to admit that I was in pain, so I just started yelling about how tired I was and I wanted to go home. My parents were like, what the heck is wrong with her? But I was standing in red ants, and
Are you a Libra?
no, I'm a Sagittarius. Wait, here, take my camera. Why is that a Libra thing?
What?
Is that a Libra thing?
No, I say that because right here. Come forward from there. A little to this side, right there. And you're gonna come forward. Oh, there's ants right there. So I'm gonna put the camera right here. Because I don't want ants to get on it.
Guess I thought that this was meant to last. Now I wish I was still living in the past. Yeah. Never felt so damn frustrated. You're just wasting my time. All the feelings that I dread is ringing in my head.
You want me to stand like... I really do look like Taylor Swift.
You want to do a Taylor Swift?
It looks, you don't think? Like her, think of her first album. You're the reason for the teardrops on my guitar.
Are you a fashion model?
Cosplayer.
Oh.
Or here even.
Okay. Here.
Is this recording? It is. Really? Really?
Superhero stuff. Can't talk right now. I'm doing superhero stuff.
The words you said are ringing in my head. Somebody saying it. Now we're hanging by a thread, and it's ringing in my head. All your friends are now my enemies. Always tell you what to do. Can't keep up with all the bullshit they're throwing your way. Always looking for the easy way. Now they're walking over you. Yeah. Never felt so damn frustrated. You're just wasting my time. All the feelings that I dread is ringing in my head. Can't believe the words you said are ringing in my head. Somebody saying it. Now we're hanging by a thread, and it's ringing in my head.
So I just finished shooting with Geek Strong. It's a longer shoot than we usually do. We didn't do any Patreon stuff or OnlyFans stuff or anything like that. Just Starlight, but it was really fun, and yeah, it was a bit longer than we usually go for. It's already like 8 p.m. So I'm gonna go home and take all this off, and then I have a night editing because I still haven't edited my video that's going up tomorrow. So hopefully it's a quick edit, and yeah, get something to eat. So decided that I wanted to stop and get some food on the way home. So I'm about to go through the In-N-Out drive-thru, dressed like this. We'll see how that goes. Should be exciting. Usually I kind of, if I like get food or something after, like take off a lot of the cosplay, like I'll take off certain parts, take off the wig, all that stuff. But the wig's kind of glued to my head right now, and also just don't feel like taking it off. So yeah, this is happening. Hey guys, how do you like my new hair? No, it's this really painful wig that's like not staying down. I didn't glue it, so that's why it's not staying down. That's my own fault. But yeah, I just, as you didn't see or maybe saw from my last vlog, I got this collection from ColourPop, and it's like this little like Barbie collection, and it's like Malibu Barbie themed kind of, I think. And all I could think about was that sound from the Addams Family, or like that line where she's like, you know, she didn't want the ballerina Barbie, or she wanted the ballerina Barbie, she didn't want Malibu Barbie, and she's all like, Malibu Barbie, and like that's all I could think about when I got this. So obviously I had to do a TikTok with that sound and with this collection, so I just did that. I literally spent several hours of my night making that TikTok, just that one TikTok. That's all I wanted to do. So yeah, that's it, and I'm gonna go take this off, and then I saw that I got some more packages, so I'm gonna go unbox them for you. I guess I'll do it while I'm in this. The first package is something I actually ordered for myself, just a couple things for an OnlyFans shoot that I have coming up, slash because I wanted them and treat yourself. But yeah, the first is these necklaces. I got them in a bunch of different colors, but obviously I'm gonna try on the pink one because it matches my outfit. So here we go with the pink necklace. Super cute, and I got a bunch of different colors. And they also have some that are like 2 different colors, and I was kind of tempted to buy those as well. So we'll see if I need them for some future shoots. Could be fun. And then the second thing, which has been making noise here on my lap, some cat girl ears. Oh my gosh, the bells are literally so loud. Look how cute. This box is really big, but I'm like, watch whatever is in here be like really small, because I already see like a ton of just like bubble wrap. Wait. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so excited. This is the pineapple squishmallow. Oh my gosh. Is this real? This is like real. This is the pineapple squishmallow. Oh my gosh. If you guys don't know, I collect pineapples. And I've been really interested in collecting squishmallows lately. Because when I saw them, like, you guys know I love collecting things, especially like cute things and plushies. And when I found out about squishmallows, when I first saw them online, I just needed to start collecting them. But the number one that I wanted was the pineapple, since I collect pineapples as well. And it's here. Thank you to the person who bought this for me. Oh my gosh. So cute. So thank you to the person who sent this to me. So cute. Can't wait to squish it. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go take off this wig now. It's actually like hurting my head, and then I gotta clean up my desk because it is, like usual, after I've done like a TikTok or a makeup look or something, a total mess. I'm gonna try and vlog a little bit tomorrow. Today's actually Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday. Usually I have work on Tuesdays, but they didn't schedule me because I complained to my manager that I was getting too many closing shifts, which you would think is a good thing because like then you don't have to wake up early, and I'm not a morning person. But I was going a little bit crazy with just closing shifts, and so I asked for some opening shifts, so I didn't get one tomorrow. So I'm gonna try and vlog a bit more and work on some other projects that I want to get done. But yeah, I just like haven't been doing that much this weekend, or like the stuff that I have been doing is just like smaller projects. One thing I did do that was really exciting is I went to a movie theater. like, and saw a movie, which is not something I've done probably since, like, I was trying to remember the last time I've seen a movie in a theater, and I think it was January 2020, so like a year and a half. I think Frozen 2 was probably like the last thing that I saw in theaters, but I went and saw A Quiet Place Part 2 because I was really hyped for that before the pandemic, and it literally, like, the day it was scheduled to come out was March 13th, I think, which was like the last day that like anything was open. So obviously I didn't get a chance to see it, which I was really bummed about because I was really excited for the movie. But I'm really happy that they waited till they could put it in theaters and so I could go see it in theaters, because the experience of seeing that movie in theaters is just so different than seeing it like at home on your computer. So I'm so glad that I got to see it, and I just wanted to give it a quick shout out and say, A, how happy I was to just go see a movie in theaters and how weird and good that felt, and also B, just I really liked the movie and I'm really glad I saw it in theaters, and I recommend that you go see it. This is not sponsored by them. It's just something I've been hyped about lately, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Hey guys, so I wound up actually not vlogging yesterday. Instead, I just stayed in bed and binged all of Invincible. So that was it for my weekend. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully I'll do more next weekend, but yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow me on my other social media. I have everything: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all the things. You can follow me there. Also got Patreon and OnlyFans. Links to everything are down below. I have to go to work now, but I will see you guys next week for my next video. Bye!
Go Taylor Swift, go.
I can't sing though. You're the reason for the teardrops on my guitar. The only one who's got enough of me to break my heart. He's the song in the car I keep singing, don't know why I do.